ronú ẹni tó bá ní làákàyè tó bá láròjinlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí mo sọ kalẹ̀ yìí á mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀bẹ̀ ló yẹ kẹ́ máa bẹ̀ á dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé àwọn nǹkan tí mo sọ kalẹ̀ yìí ó máa wà lára àwọn nǹkan tí government ti rí kó tó remind àwọn èèyàn á dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé reminding àwọn èèyàn kò mean wípé wọ́n ti wà lẹ́wọ̀n or wọ́n fẹ́ pa wọ́n pé ìgbà míì gan kí tension lè lọlẹ̀ because you never can tell. A rí èèyàn tó jáde nínú àwọn prophetess ìkan náà prophets yẹn tó ní àwọn ò ní gbà family ń wà lára àwọn tó kú kíníkan àwọn èèyàn lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ lóòótọ́ nítorí pé ẹ mọ̀ àwọn tó kú ẹ mọ̀ intention wọn lára safety precautions tí ìjọba put up ni láti fi àwọn èèyàn yẹn pamọ́ lára safety precautions tó put up ni láti fi àwọn èèyàn yẹn pamọ́ because most of you crying kò ṣe gbogbo yín nínú yín dáa ìjọba pẹ̀lú nǹkan tá à ń sọ yìí ẹ má gbàgbé pé ó la ẹ̀mí lọ so ìjọba ò lè fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ kó máa rìn ní títì because ẹ mọ ẹni tí ó ní psychosis ẹ mọ ẹni tó ní wàhálà ẹ mẹni tí inú ẹ ò dẹ ẹ mẹni tí nínú àwọn parent àwọn ọmọ yẹn ẹ mẹni tí orí ọpọlọ ẹ pé ẹ mọ plan wọn torí pé wọn ò sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní èmi ò mọ̀ mi mọ̀ bóyá pre-event plan ní bá wà mo mọ̀ pé wọ́n lè máa hold kìíní yẹn then tí pre-event visit bá wà or survey bá wà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe hold nǹkan yẹn pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí wọ́n rí tán rí kí lẹ rò pé ó yẹ kó ṣẹlẹ̀. So unfollow me tẹ́ bá fẹ́ unfollow me please if you want to unfollow me you are free to your tent, O Israel. You're free láti unfollow me. But I wouldn't keep quiet. As long as you continue to attack me, I'll continue to come out. And stop telling me to keep quiet because these people are not keeping quiet. They keep attacking me. They keep cursing. So stop telling me. They keep cursing me. You're asking me to keep quiet. Stop telling me when I know I'm on the right channel. Timo demo pe òótọ́ ni mo sọ. Me, I'm not supporting any ìjọba. One big by just mo call out. In fact, Governor Seyi Makinde go mo fẹ́ lè sọ̀rọ̀ òdì. Later ni mo ṣe wá apologize. De bọ́ta, de bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀. Ètò ń ṣépè. Go and watch the interview and go and find out if there was pre-event survey. Go and find out. And stop cursing me. Yeah, thank you, Ajiboye. Nigeria hates truth. I know. They hate truth. But we wallow in sentiment. Wallow in emotional blackmail. I don't care how you feel about me. I'm not against anyone. Me ò ní nǹkankan against anybody, but I'm just saying nothing but the truth. Ẹ lọ gbọ́ interview yẹn. There was a very very vital information tí èèyàn kan pè tó sọ nínú interview yẹn, but ṣé wọ́n take to it? Kí ni action tí wọ́n take? Ẹ fi pa àwọn ìjọba kan máa ní ẹ remind wọn tí ní bèrè pé ẹ̀yin security ṣe gbọ́ ń pa ẹ̀ ṣé wọ́n pè yín ẹ publish letter tẹ kọ sí ìjọba láti invite security operatives ẹgbẹ́ síta. À ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọdé anywhere in the world. Mo lè decide láti má sọ̀rọ̀ Anambra sọ̀rọ̀ Abuja because anywhere in the world ọmọdé stand priority. If those children were adults, wallahi mo lè má sọ anything. Mo lè má sọ nǹkankan. So what are you talking about? Leave me alone.